phrenologist feel and interpret?
The size of Walt's asshole.
Wrong.
No, a phrenologist feels and interprets the bumps on your head, skull features.
Very good.
Who was Richard Nixon's chief of staff during the final days of Watergate?
Oprah Winfrey. No, that was Alexander Haig.
That's right.
What does gasoline... Jesus Christ.
What are you doing?
I hate shitheads who bully their women.
So what are you gonna do?
Shoot him.
What?
It's the principle, James.
No, with a pellet gun? I mean, what are you gonna accomplish using that stupid thing?
It allows me to seriously aggravate a situation without actually changing the course of history. It also stings like a bitch.
Well, I'm glad that's over. Carl, what are you doing? Everything's cool now.
Mister, it's nothing personal.
Where do you think you got him?
Butt shot. He will never lay a hand on her again.
I wouldn't have voted for you anyway. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Shoot the guy who think. Shoot him in the head. His head goes all over the floor. Genius. Touchdown. The tape. Touchdown. Genius.
Man, this guy's really heavy. I gotta start working out.
You should go to the gym.
I hate weights.
Now you work on your cardiovascular.
What's that?
You know, get yourself on one of those life cycles.
What's that?
Stationary bike?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
How are they?
they're great. They got cross-country ski machines, things where you roll.
Come on, get him in there. I wanna go eat.
Come on, come on, come on. I got it. Start the car.
Right, Jack, I have the tape. I really hate Jack. Jack?
Touch that again, I'll kill you. I swear to God, I'll kill you.
What'd I do?
Why don't you go a little bit faster, see if you can put me through the windshield?